watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Fall is approaching, and there's something truly charming about pumpkin-inspired decor that makes any home feel warm and welcoming. Whether you're styling your porch, tabletop, or cozy corners, pumpkins, real or faux, offer endless ways to embrace autumn. Today, I'll walk you through some simple, delightful pumpkin decor ideas you'll want to try this season. White pumpkin stack on mantle. Stack white or lightly tinted pumpkins of varying sizes for a graceful mantle accent. Mini pumpkin floral arrangement. Place an arrangement of mini pumpkins with fall florals in a low vase or tray for a festive table display. Vase with pumpkins and branches. Combine small pumpkins and branches in a vase for a simple yet refined autumn centerpiece. Pumpkins in a rustic crate. Gather pumpkins and gourds in a wooden crate, ideal for porch steps or a console table. Lighted pumpkin display. Use pumpkins as votive holders by placing candles inside. Adds gentle evening glow. Painted or glittered pumpkins. Add paint, shimmer, or decorative finishes to pumpkins for a personalized touch. Monogrammed pumpkin decor. Include pumpkins with painted house numbers or initials, makes them into charming accents. Pumpkin cooler serving bowl. Hollow out a pumpkin to serve fall treats as a festive, functional bowl. Tiered mini pumpkin display. Use a tiered tray for stacking pint-sized pumpkins, ideal for countertop or buffet styling. Heirloom or colored pumpkin cluster. Mix heirloom pumpkins in unique shades for a moody, sophisticated arrangement. Pumpkin and gourd mix and planter. Combine pumpkins, gourds, and fall flowers in outdoor planters for seasonal curb appeal. Pumpkin centerpiece with chalk paint. Paint a pumpkin with chalkboard paint to label or personalize, then pair with florals. Pumpkin with moss or floral top. Top a pumpkin with dried flowers or moss for a fresh, textured look. Pumpkins on a tiered side table. Arrange pumpkins across a tiered side table or shelf to display varied heights and shapes. Mix of real and faux pumpkins. Blend real pumpkins with faux or neutral-toned alternatives for visual variety and longevity. I hope these pumpkin-inspired ideas spark your creativity for a warm, welcoming fall home. Whether you prefer simple and subtle or bold and bright, there's a pumpkin idea here for every style. Let me know in the comments which looks you'll try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy seasonal inspiration. Enjoy the season ahead.